Hello, I am Dr. Farooq Ahmad Dar, Assistant Professor in the Department of Geography and Disaster Management at the University of Kashmir. I am excited to introduce you to the massive open online course on Hydrology and Oceanography. This 5-credit course is designed to cater to the academic and professional needs of undergraduate students in fields like geography, geology, and environmental sciences. It is also highly beneficial for those preparing for competitive exams. The course is structured to be completed in 12 weeks, featuring 50 lectures. The content has been thoughtfully curated by different subject matter experts to reflect the latest trends in the concerned fields. I am confident that this course will not only enrich your understanding but also help you excel in your studies and future endeavors. I wish you all the best as you embark on this learning journey. Let's dive into the fascinating world of hydrology and oceanography together. Thank you.